Good morning, I'm a great, I'm a triple champions. Yeah, igama lami uJuly, Greater Embalente branch, the first branch to launch eMpumalanga, uSecretary wakhona lo. Yeah, and I'm happy to come here and welcome our new it's a firstborn because bakhulela lakithi bazalana lakithi baphumela lakithi, so we are here to support them, to show them ukuthi we love them and we appreciate what they are doing. So siyabonga ukuthi at least nabo mageza bakhona nabo ujaka la babujaka khona. We are happy, man, we are happy, we are to celebrate baba nonyaka basibone where do they belong. That's kumnandi uzazi ubuya ku. For all of this time they knew ukuthi bane branch, but now they're going to be officially known. And then yeah, it's like ilapho nje, and we appreciate that. As a Greater Embalente branch, we support them and we are with them. Yeah, as uJuly Ngishilo, as a secretary of the branch, yeah, I appreciate everything that's happening now.
Okay. Asilonje kuphela siphinde celebrate ku triple champions,
Yes,
baba.
yes, yes,
Ngicela usho
yes.
something ngalokho.
Yo mfethu, yo mara makebhola, yo. To know that I already gained the weight about that triple in Bombela. I was there, baba. It was there, papa. Yeah, but yeah, and then we appreciate everyone and every member of yeah. Orlando Pirates support my players, the management, with the speaker last corner manje, and siyajabula ukuthi at least now we are triple champions. Next year we go to fight for the Champions League. So please players, desifuna nje ukuthi ake sijabuliseni. Ungathi mawuqo another one mfethu. We want another one mfethu. Asifuna we want another one, and once we have another one, then we're gonna go for a third one. You're not gonna have a triple star. Ilapho nje ilapho makebhola halala ngiyabonga bafethu.
Okay, nesibanga isikhathi sakuba.
Number 1 halala.